Okay, I will chair, and then I hope who will be secretary. Let's see. I think Rizky, yeah. Rizky will be secretary because today is Friday, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Rizky, for being my secretary. First, we will move to Evelyn. Evelyn, you have a discussion from the Insights of Community. Can you explain a little bit about this one?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so this one mainly. Yeah, so actually there is this paper called community, I think community survey or something. So basically they asked the owner what can be improved, is there any problem, etc., etc.
Yep.
So based on those problem, I created an Excel file. It could be found in my Trello board. I haven't
Yep.
put it here. And basically I just create like a percentage of like how many people are talking about this matter, this matter, this
Right.
matter, this matter. So like in percentage in total, I would say that finding revenue and late payment issue, also launching property in several OTA take the utmost priority.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much,
Yes.
Evelyn, for the statistics. Very interesting. And I believe there are also other chapters are also included here. Yeah. So this is not exclusively for BI.
Oh, this is actually exclusively
This is
for BI.
exclusively for BI. Yeah. So these are all the issues that owners raised. What is the sample size of this? Sample size of this interview, if I may
Um,
know.
51, yeah,
One. Yeah.
51, yeah, 51.
Okay. So finding revenue is the utmost priority. Of course. That's interesting, but not surprising, I think. Okay, so let's discuss how we can actually resolve all of these owners' concerns. Right, this is actually a very good initiative by community. I believe that the HR team is also receiving this, and what they do, just to share, is they kind of like tackle this issue, creating a project to solve this issue by issue by issue through a private card. Okay, so I believe finding revenue is the most important issue, yeah, and it's by a huge margin. What do you guys think? Yep, Evelyn.
So like mainly right in finding revenue, the owner asked us whether we have any strategy in finding revenue,
Okay.
or could we expand to another market. Other than that, they also asked us to expand our market to a local market. So instead of like targeting foreigner, we could target Indonesians, I would say.
I see.
Yeah.
And do you see what thing do you see from that, Evelyn?
Um. Okay. Wait. Maybe Kak Vidi could clarify like what Kak Vidi mean by what do I see from.
Uh, are we doing that yet or not?
Um to be honest, I haven't got any insight in like the demographic on our let's say OTAs. Like I don't know which percentage is foreigner, which percentage is local market. But if the statistic shows that we are targeting foreigner, then maybe we could try, like maybe we could, how do I say, like maybe we could conduct a campaign that target like local market instead. And wait, also let me check the sheet real quick. So oh yeah, so like for finding revenue, the owner also requests us to have like a any marketing campaign that could be increased or created to, yeah, to increase
I
the
see.
revenue.
Are we
Yeah.
doing marketing campaign already for this?
uh, To be honest, I felt like Instagram campaign and Facebook campaign are low key a marketing campaign, no, because like we increase awareness from that, and like try to convert as much direct booking as possible.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Evelyn just left. Maybe somebody want to tackle the question. Maybe over to David. David, uh, yeah, basically, can you continue off from Evelyn? Like, do you think we're already doing this campaigns or marketing strategies to tackle this issue?
Yep. I think we have do this, but we are not so um, maximal because there's something like a corona pandemic,
Yep.
and
Yep. So, what do you
um,
see is the
and
the very
Erwin.
important issue here. If we're already doing it, but there is still partner asking for it.
Yep, there's tidak, I believe tidak merata sih. Ya, tidak merata. We got booking just for something, just for some villa property, but other property
Okay.
we don't property
Advertise.
uh, not advertise but
I
prioritize.
prioritize. I see. So we don't prioritize all the properties equally, yeah.
Yep,
Okay, so that's what, how
equally.
owner feel. This is just a guess, though. We can actually connect the owners' names to see whether the owners that actually mentioned this problem actually owns a proper villa or guest house. That will be an interesting find. But considering that the previous idea is that we're not marketing it equally, it's, I think it's pretty true, yeah, in BI chapter, because we do have the priorities to sell villas first. Do you think so? Because it's kind of like the, it's kind of about friction the friction of selling a property. All good, Evelyn. Yeah. Do you have anything else to add, David?
Um, enough for this.
Enough, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. Evelyn, would you like to continue what you were just saying just now?
Yeah, I was saying that, oh, about marketing campaign, right?
Yep.
Like, whether we could, yeah, but the thing is, I felt like Instagram and Facebook campaign itself, it is already included in marketing campaign.
Yep.
Like, it's a form of promotion. And then just now I look at what Kak David right here. We haven't prioritized all property equally. I felt like this is true because some owner they do reach out to like the community and they say like, oh, in this past 4 months we haven't received any guests, and it kind of makes me sad. Like, is it possible for us to look into our database
It
and
is
like,
possible.
yeah, which property have not how do I say, like, which property
When is the
have
last
no
checkout
guests?
guest?
Yeah, when the last checkout
Yeah.
guest, and then like we start from then and like try
Yep.
to
Yep.
promote them first.
That is very
Yeah.
possible. Thank you very much, Evelyn. I think previously we had that, but because of coronavirus, actually, a lot of the numbers actually burst
Um,
up. But I think it's going to be good again to have a review on that. Maybe we can assign one of the data scientists to produce that sort of visualization to check when is the list of properties, and then like when is the last time they have booking, and then we can sort it by that one. That's very good. Okay,
Yes.
let's put that one into conclusion, but let's assign the data set
conclusion.
later on. Maybe over to Risky. Risky, do you have anything to add regarding the first issue?
I have another point to add,
Yes.
but it's not about the property that least occupied, but it is more like maximizing the revenue that the property take. Uh, Guys, do you have you ever heard about upselling? Like when you go to mini market and then you finish by something,
Yep.
then you go to the cashier, then the cashier will offer you something like, do
Oh,
you want to buy this too? Do you
cross
want
selling.
to
Yes.
buy that too?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're
So
actually doing that already,
I have a
Risky.
question too.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So what thing that we offer?
Okay, so this is called cross selling and also upselling. Basically, cross selling is when if there is an inquiry about one property but it doesn't suit the guest, then we can try to also promote other properties that have similar specifications as the inquired property. This promotes the other property as well, basically.
Okay, how about if we have make a deal, and
Yep,
then we offer them again like others like something upgradable.
I
Have
see.
we done
So
that?
so upon their checkouts,
I'm sorry,
upon their checkout or during the after they have deal, then we can ask improvement, like an upgrade
after they have deal, then we can offer something upgradable.
during the same check-in date.
Yes, yes.
I see, but that will take away bookings from the agreed property, no?
Uh, gimana?
Jadi kan kalau misalnya ada properti A udah di booking, tapi dan udah agree nih ya, tapi kita promote juga properti B yang jatuhnya itu sebenarnya di atas A,
Oh,
betul gak?
I mean not like property. For example, when we have a deal, then we offer how about misalnya ditawarin paket foto di villa gitu, something not about property
I see, itu
itself
untuk
gitu.
mendapatkan revenue ya, intinya untuk mempromosikan gimana caranya ada orang yang lebih mau datang lah ya,
Naikin
gitu ya. That is also possible sih. Yeah, we can think about that. So basically extra services from Bukit Vista ya, basically ya, terhadap guest yang sudah datang. Let's say guest yang datang bisa dapat foto gratis, photo shoot session, atau mungkin bisa ada, I don't know, ada options kayak hotel room service dan lain-lain lah, gitu-gitu kan ya, valet gitu, atau apapun, kayak gitu ya, Rizky ya?
Yep, Kak.
I see. That is
And
also
they should pay
interesting.
for that.
Sorry?
They should pay additional amount for that.
I see. Tapi itu akan menambahkan jumlah revenue karena ada added value dari Bukit Visanya ya? Gitu ya. Oke, mungkin di-highlight dulu yang bagian extra service sama yang bagian tadi pembuatan visualisasi.
Oh, Kak Vidi.
Yes.
Oh, bentar. Angie dulu deh, Angie dulu.
Ya,
Ini
Angie
Angie
nanya
dulu.
tadi, do we have human resource for that? Exactly. That's what I was thinking. But there might be some other extra services that we can provide without expanding the human resource that we have. For example, kalau misalnya tamunya butuh chef, kita punya nomor telepon chef. Untuk sementara sebenarnya kita punya, tapi masih belum terlalu di push bahwa oke, kita punya chef nih, mau nggak makan breakfast kita bisa anterin dan lain so on so forth. Kita punya kontaknya. Jadi kita nggak harus nge-expand human resource dari Bukit Vista sendiri, tapi kita pakai outsource dari luar. That's also possible. Dan makanya gue highlight itu dulu untuk ide-ide yang potensial. Jadi ada dua ya poinnya ya. Pertama, kita buat memaksimalkan properti-properti yang sudah lama tidak mendapatkan booking melalui visualisasi. To get the list of the property based and sorry, like maybe it can be taken into account when we're trying to prioritize which property to market, and also the extra services ya. Anything else maybe?
Nih,
Yes,
Kak,
Evelyn.
it just crossed my mind. So usually, right, when we're shopping in e-commerce, kayak let's say we saw this thing, let's say we wanna buy baju, but bajunya, aduh, oke, jangan baju deh. Let's say we wanna buy something, right? And then usually Shopee or Tokopedia, they always show like show a similar result, whether kayak genrenya mirip-mirip or kayak target
Betul,
market,
recommendation. Yep.
Yes. So like let's say salah satu dari consumer kita udah kelar stay di villa ini, terus dia suka dengan villa itu. Could we possibly kayak recommend kayak, hey, if you like this villa, you might like this villa as well. Maybe you could check it out or
Okay, that's also possible actually. So what we're doing right now upon checkout for especially for direct guests, actually we try to incentivize them to extend their stay on the same property, right? But it's also very possible for us to recommend other property that they might like. For example, if for example we do it in two ways. The first wave is we try to have them extend their stay in the same villa. If they are not interested, then we can recommend similar properties. For example, cross selling kan ya, yang kayak tadi gue bilang. Tapi in this case tadi cross selling itu kan terhadap inquiry yang tamunya kayak kurang interested. Dalam case ini, begitu check out, kita bisa cross-selling juga. Seperti itu ya? Oke, very interesting. Ya, itu boleh di-highlight dulu. Oke, kalau misalnya dari NG, we need to calculate the cost first to make sure that it's still beneficial or profitable for us if we want to do this. Also, if we offer lower price than through market misal buat photo session gitu, intinya pricing yang menarik sih. Oke, yep. Agreed from NG. Yeah, of course. This must be calculated basically, since we have limited resource and it's in motion. I believe for Risky's idea through the BV services, we just have to pitch in the things that is necessary first and essential first, and then we can move to the nice to have one, Rizky. So just like, but it's obviously a good idea for as a BV added value. Okay. Then any other idea for this one, especially for the first one? Welcome, Lilis. Yap. Kayaknya tadi Lilis
Tapi di-
yang itu lagi baca. Ya, Rizky.
Ya, lagi baca.
I want to add some point to Evelyn's idea
Yep.
about recommendation property.
Yep.
How if we recommend them a similar property and we put the link on the Airbnb description, like if potential guests look at our listings and then I don't like this, but we put them some recommendation link below in the description box.
Okay,
Might be.
there's also a
How do
very
you think?
interesting project. Yeah, I think that crosses to a bit of data science and all product development. Yeah, so basically it's a recommendation system for HR team, something like that. Yeah, so that our HR team can actually recommend something that is very similar to the actual property. Okay, so
Yep.
like a network of properties like that we have. Okay, that's also a good idea. Yeah, we can put it as a third idea. Rizky. Yes, Liz.
Hmm?
Enggak ya?
No.
Okay, so I
I'm just
completely agree with
following.
you guys.
Sorry, Vidi. So this one is about
Yang
jadi
pertama.
Evelyn itu classifying inputs dari
Yes.
community, right?
Betul.
And then make it like as a Pareto chart.
Yap.
Kemudian biggest problemnya adalah finding revenue.
Yap, betul. Sekarang kita lagi bahas gimana cara kita bisa
Yang
nge-solve
pertama.
issue ini. Betul.
Alright.
Tapi tadi ada masukan dari Evelyn. Actually, one of the concern of the partner is that they feel like Bukit Vista is not doing enough marketing for and also expanding the market as well as focusing on the specific market. So that's the issue from the partner.
Expanding ya OTA.
Yes,
Iya.
like OTA atau mungkin kayak market-market lain lah maksudnya. Tapi kan padahal kita udah melakukan itu.
But not really OTA. Actually, the third one is OTA, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Like, perhaps should be kenapa we choose other platform than OTA, like Instagram, and then why we choose website, why we choose Facebook, right?
Betul.
We need to make assessment and make like expectation to them.
Yes.
And is it correct gitu loh? Apakah our step is correct?
Okay.
Expand in that part.
Tapi in my opinion ya, there is one crucial thing that is missing from all of this, which is just like what Lilis mentioned, the expectation to the partner. Because all of our strategy, we keep it internally. Partners who do not have any bookings, they don't know whether their property is being marketed or not.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah, actually, I have one case like Pamulan. Do you remember?
Pamulan Guest House, yes.
Pamulan Guest House almost avoided because we don't supply revenue.
Yep.
Then Tendi come to Pamulan and explain that we actually do this, and we would like to make your listing again in because we only make one listing, right? And then we make the listing again, and then we still have time basically to prove whether we can or not. So what you want to point out is the monthly report. No?
Monthly report, yes, I agree. The monthly report will be very beneficial for our partners actually. So and also for us.
What is the extra service that?
So extra service itu kayak ini attempt buat naikin revenue sih, Liz. So if we want to like find something that can actually add revenue, we can actually provide guests with extra service, make us more special than compared to booking at other places. So guests have options to make, let's say, do photo shoot at a certain price lower than the market average, just like what Rizky and Angie mentioned. So that can actually give an edge for us why people should book at properties managed by Bukit Vista.
Okay.
Something like that. Tapi ini kan tadi kita bilang,
perlu ini nggak? Perlu resource nggak if we
ya
expand?
seperti yang tadi gue bilang, Untuk masalah resource itu iya perlu, tapi ada banyak cara. Seperti kita bisa aja outsource dari photography company and we pay them like per usage kan. It's very scalable.
Why don't you like third party, like partnering with third party?
Yes, exactly. Partnering with third party. Kayak
So
yang kita plan kita buat
you-
cleaning, driver, and so on and so forth, partnering, right?
yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
but again, I mentioned to Rizky that we want to provide the service that are necessary first, according to the analysis, and then we can go to the nice to have. But it's actually a very good idea.
But do we have that analysis? No.
Yes, the must have one, right? From partner
Yang
side.
yang BV,
Ya,
yang BV.
partner dulu.
But this one is about revenue,
Yeah,
right?
this is
No,
for guest kan,
this is for gas. So
Ah.
like this is different direction.
different direction, correct. Tapi maksudnya satu cluster, sama-sama kayak nyari vendor untuk partner gitu. Tapi
Sama,
maksudnya
cuman
itu
mereka
nanti bisa
bisa
di-extend ke situ.
audiensnya gas kan.
Yes, betul. Nanti bisa di-extend tapi dari tim yang sama. Karena udah ngerti flow-nya untuk cari vendor dan lain-lain.
Oh, tim. Ya, oke.
Yap. Tapi itu untuk yang pertama sebenarnya poin yang gue cari tadi itu juga untuk newsletter itu. Dari dulu kita nggak sampaikan. Karena partner nggak tahu. Seperti yang case pemulaan guest house itu bagus banget sih menurut gue. Kayak kalau misalnya partner tahu sebenarnya kita udah mati-matian jual properti mereka.
They will stay. Like
They will stay because they do not have any visibility of what we're doing right now. Yeah, they think that we're doing nothing, gitu kan? They think that we're not taking care of their property, gitu kan? Okay, so I think which solution among the three do you guys think is among these two deh, yang cari revenue dulu atau kasih visibility dulu?
visibility dulu.
Visibility dulu kalau
Visibility.
Evelyn juga ya. David?
Iya.
Revenue sih.
Oke, kalau revenue David boleh. Kalau David sendiri kenapa revenue?
Kadang soalnya because some of owner nggak peduli gitu soal what apa yang kita kerjakan kadang-kadang. Kenapa mereka mau tahu itu kenapa mereka nggak mau tahu itu intinya. Kadang beberapa owner soalnya mereka kan memperkerjakan BV untuk itu, bukan untuk mengini sih. Aku pernah ini diskusi soal ini di community kalau.
I see.
Soal
Ya, bisa sih. That's actually very true for some partners. What we do doesn't matter to them. They only want to get the revenue. But also, we also remember that the business model that we're working with them is actually commission based. Okay.
No,
We have tried that before ya.
that will never happen. Like
We tried though.
yeah, we try, but like only 1%, 5% lah that coming.
Ya. Yes, correct. Jadi dulu itu ide awalnya sebenarnya kita pengen bikin kayak, kan kita udah punya list dari email-email partner. Kita bisa aja kasih newsletter mereka tiap bulan, kita konstruk tiap akhir bulan atau tiap awal bulan, kita kasih mereka strategi BV, sekarang apa, plannya ke depan apa. Itu bisa aja kan, supaya mereka juga ada visibility kita, atau mungkin data-data soal market yang kita tahu, supaya mereka juga ada visibility juga, apa yang bisa mereka improve di properti mereka. So, itu sebenarnya ide Lilis sama gue udah dari lama banget, tapi kita tidak.
Actually, we would like Rizky to work on this kan,
Yes.
but we're actually pivoting to
Pricing, ya.
pricing.
Ya, jadi Rizky semangat ya. Ya, so gitu Fit. Jadi betul, tapi ada satu lagi sebenarnya. Kalau misalnya kita kan commission based. Kalau misalnya kita kerja kayak gini kan sebenarnya kita nggak dibayar juga.
Iya, kalau nggak dapat booking kita juga nggak dibayar.
Ya, kalau nggak dapat booking kita nggak dibayar. Nah, kalau misalnya sampai to the extreme where actually they after given the explanation they actually still feel like we're doing nothing, then maybe there is also a
problem with
vision fit sih. Vision fit sih sebenarnya.
Itu udah masuk community issue.
Ya, itu udah masuk community issue. Lebih ke communication dari partner mungkin atau ya komunikasi dan juga relationship dengan partner sih. Oke. Gitu Fit. Setelah mendengar itu, apakah David tetap mikir revenue atau tetap akan pindah golongan atau tetap teguh di kode revenue?
Ya 60-40 lah.
60-40 ya. 60 revenue,
Ya.
40 information to partner.
Ya.
Okay, thank you
Masih
very much.
revenue
It's okay.
berarti.
It's okay. That's very good. Thank you David for being kontra ya. Kalau misalnya kita semua orang
Mhm.
ikut doang, nggak seru ceritanya, nggak ada konflik. Okay, next to Rizky. Rizky, what do you think?
I agree to David. Yeah,
I agree to
think we
David,
have to
yeah.
prioritize
I guess.
revenue first, then visibility is. I think it is nice to have, not
Nice to have ya.
STD.
So revenue is must have and visibility is nice to have ya. Okay, thank you
Yep.
very much, Rizky and David. And just to add to, if I want to become an advocate of Rizky and David, we have to remember our partnership. This is BI. I'm talking about partnership because this is BI ya. BI have to understand. In the partnership pyramid, the lowest one is
Transact.
transactional. So of course there is the fundamental transactional. Baru ke alignment, baru legacy. Ya ya, Liz ya.
Yeah, I think from the monthly report we're trying to get to relationship alignment.
Yes, trying to get to relationship. Tapi kalau misalnya bagian bawahnya belum solid ya agak susah juga. Makanya apa yang David dan Rizky bilang itu juga make sense in a sense. Okay,
So,
anyway, kita bisa work on both. Okay, so first we can try to produce that list that just now Evelyn mentioned, yeah, to give like prioritization and so on and so forth, and also the monthly newsletter. Yeah, it's an interesting pivot. See,
who do you think should what roles do you think fit for this project?
actually, a data analyst can do it.
But
But
who
it is
can
not. It
focus
will
on
take
that?
a long time. Like the generation, it will take a long time. So I believe Rizky can take it. What do you think, Rizky?
I'm not pointing at Risky to do
No,
that. Like,
because it's very close to what Rizky is doing.
yeah, I know that. But we need a framework first. Like, what kind of things that should be in the monthly newsletter?
Okay, it can actually be a joint project between a data analyst and also a data scientist.
Yeah, agree.
Data analyst can actually point out like what data do they need and so on and so forth. The data scientist can actually like automate the process and also produce the numbers quicker,
Yep.
right? Okay, but do we have a data analyst here?
No,
No.
only me. We have a coming candidate like March 29, I guess.
Yep.
But can you scroll down a little bit, Vidi, to
Yes.
give gambaran aja gitu buat everybody what is actually you explain this now gitu.
Okay, so this is the quick idea, yeah. In partnership funnel, partnership stack basically, or the pyramid.
Sure, yeah.
The lowest one is transactional, of course. If there is no transaction, then we're not talking about business in a sense. Tapi we're trying to achieve that top one, to like the vision to transform the partner into relationship alignment, and then transform positively the partner into legacy. So that's actually our goal, but that's why I can understand to both parties, and we can actually hit two birds with one stone here because it's technically possible, and it's also our priority to get revenue and also in the partnership funnel as well. So let's do this, yeah. Okay. So just to summarize, the conclusion is first, a data scientist will produce the stats in Redash to see which properties have the longest time without booking. Okay, so that we can start to try to promote that in some way. Okay,
Yeah,
and that data scientist will be,
the scientist.
that data scientist that is assigned will be
I'm not sure. Like,
PD. Okay, PD.
no, the more important one is a projection. Actually, guys, like we depend. Like there's a lot of BI is now apa namanya dipertanyakan related to projection,
Oh,
and
yeah, betul.
I guess that's the second topic we would like
Yeah,
to
that's the
discuss.
second topic actually. Yeah, betul.
But for this one, first Rizky is working on the Redes kan right now.
Yes.
Redes itu.
Risky?
guess this is a risky feature, tapi maksudnya you can put it like upper priority gitu. Ini
Betul.
bisa kan? Bisa kan ini jadi di Rides kan ini?
Iya, betul, Rides.
Bisa.
So it is risky, but kamu prioritas aja this one first gitu, yang lainnya bisa dimundurin kayak gitu.
Oke ya, Rizky,
Ya.
understood ya?
I need Vidi to help me with the projection. To
Okay.
framing like who should done that and how we can done that.
Okay, all good, all good, all good. Yep, Rizky, all good ya with that one ya. Second, we will continue to consider the extra services. That is the second priority, and also the visibility to our partner. This one visibility ya, visibility to our partner, and I would like this to be higher in priority compared to the extra service. So for the visibility, it's also part of Rizky's project ya.
Yeah, I think need some help from others.
Could you try?
Gitu.
Noun? Yes,
Jadi Rizky providing the data basically,
yes.
and others convert it.
Is there someone who is interested in knowing what kind of data do we need to report to our partner? Okay,
Nah,
Evelyn.
Link.
Nice. So Evelyn, yeah, let's
Second one
is
is
there already a card about this one list in the PI Word?
yet.
Not yet, yeah. Okay, Evelyn, let's have a card consisting of you and Rizky to evaluate what kind of data is actually needed by partner, and also, like, for example, you need the current strategy, the past strategy, what is the revenue of your property, blah blah blah, or like what's the data of the market and what's the price, and so on and so forth, the data, and then you can team up with Rizky to produce this
I guess
report.
langsung aja cardnya itu monthly newsletter.
Yes, boleh. Kita targetin buat bulan.
We have things gitu ya.
Boleh. Mati newsletter ya. Jadi targetnya cardnya itu ya. Oke, itu pivot baru ya untuk Evelyn dan juga Rizky. Thank you very much. Ada lagi mungkin yang mau ditambahkan dari sini? Kalau nggak ada, kita bisa ke second priority-nya, let's say, untuk late payment issue. Seru nih, David. Gimana, David? Kalau dari David sendiri?
Ya, oke. Masih ada beberapa sih memang untuk late payment, especially for the misdetection in the last month, in the December, January, February. So from the finance is, for the solution from the finance is one, fix the misdetection is on progress, and two, always selalu kasih tahu sebelum, kalau misalnya ada keterlambatan, kasih tahu di depan.
I see. Tapi
Solusi
itu
dari
dari finance
finance,
sekarang ya berarti ya?
Yap.
Oke. Untuk SLA payout dari partner itu berapa lama setelah check-in kalau nggak salah?
Oke. Untuk direct, Traveloka, Agoda 1 sampai 3 hari. Untuk booking.com
Tiap tanggal 15.
tanggal 15 di bulan depan.
Yap,
Sama
betul.
Airbnb 7 sampai 10 hari.
7 sampai 10 hari. Oke. Nah, kalau dari pivot yang ada sekarang, ada yang men-tackle isu ini nggak?
Paling besar sih Airbnb sih.
Maksud gue
Keterlambatan
dari project, from the project that we have right now, the pivots project that you're doing right now, is there
Okay.
a pivot that tackles this issue currently?
Ada specific pivot.
Ya, the misdetection.
Ya, yang misdetection itu kan, right? So we expect to community, Lilis, ini community ngelakuin ini tiap berapa lama ya? Ini this is very good actually.
Yeah, actually we will redo it again if the issue is solved already. You get what I mean?
Oh, issue is solved. Tapi you have to wait all the issues to be solved dong.
I mean, at least we can get
Results.
like result gitu loh.
Okay.
You're not really asking, jangan asking doang gitu. It's actually our
Also informed.
latest discussion kayak I think we should do the evaluation atau the survey questionnaire after we get feedback
Yes,
from the previous,
from the chapter ya,
from
basically.
the chapter, from all the chapter, like
Yes,
what things that we have
already
done.
solved. Yep. Good. This actually can also be included in newsletter. Very interesting.
Yeah. Interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, the feedback from the survey it can be the newsletter materials juga kan?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, okay.
Sama kayak one-on-one ESS. You do ESS and it's direct reported back in all hands.
Yeah.
Something like
I
that.
won't be like the previous ESS. I mean, I don't think that there is any action from the
Yes,
ESS. And
something like that. Yeah, correct.
they do survey again. So what? So that's why actually apa namanya ngisinya tuh agak late gitu, because I don't know like whether there's
Yeah, you don't feel like there's an actionable. That's why
Yeah.
partner juga kalau misalnya kita nggak rasa bahwa our
Mm.
feedback is heard dan malas juga ngikut interview lagi.
Yeah.
Very true. Okay,
Lagi gitu.
very good. Okay, so I expect to see, because there's already pivot that is tackling this issue. I will expect to see that number of percentage or at least magnitude of person who or of partner who complain about this is less ya, David ya.
Yap, amin.
Mantap, amin. Haleluya, puji Tuhan. Okay, thank you very much, David. Next kita ada satu lagi. Sebenarnya ada dua yang agak mirip-mirip. Sebenarnya payment issue sama late payment issue itu termasuk payment issue ya, berarti ya.
Yeah, payment issue.
Untuk
Iya.
launching in several OTA. Gimana ini?
Actually related to revenue, like
Ya, istilahnya itu revenue ya.
revenue.
Karena partner juga nggak ada visibility bahwa kita ternyata juga marketnya itu bukan di OTA doang, tapi di Instagram, Facebook, dan lain-lain juga. By the way, kemarin ada pivot yang Agoda dan juga ini bagaimana kabarnya, Lilis? Dari Kevin kan ya?
Yeah, but there is no real progress from Kevin. Yeah, you know lah. Like I mean, you know, so
Okay.
there is no resource yet for apa namanya analyzing that. It's actually we need to talk outside for that.
Okay, sure. Let's have some discussion about the OTA expansion ya. And then the reassessing pricing. Nah, this is also an issue that we're trying to tackle right now ya.
Yeah, but haven't done
Purchasing
Yeah,
pricing.
okay. Jadi Rizky, Lilis, and me,
Really?
I'm working on this. We are trying to restructurize so that our pricing strategy will be more robust and also more regular. Because maybe some partner yang ngerasa kayak, oh kok lama banget, biasanya tiap awal tahun dikasih struktur pricing 1 tahun, biasanya gitu kan. Ya.
Like the question from Chris Gembala.
Yes, actually I also already did that since January. December something from my chat history.
Oh
But
yeah, your chat. Sorry.
that is true. So this kind of thing we do this again. Previously it's almost impossible because we do not have the tool, and then only release NVD. It took a long time to reprice everything, but now I think we can start to do it again, and there's already pivot for this one. Next we have the communication and report. Nah, ini masuk ke Evelyn dan Rizky punya ya.
Yeah, the monthly newsletter.
Yes, monthly newsletter ya.
Newsletter.
And then disclosing revenue strategy, monthly newsletter. Bener.
What is the disclosing revenue strategy?
So if we have a revenue strategy, we do not tell the partner. Disclosing is letting them know. Disclosing.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is also the same. Visibility and into
Info.
Oh, it's actually I guess HR.
Yeah.
Yes, this is related to HR actually.
HR. Yeah, siapa Sasha is actually said to be. I think I categorize things itu not correctly. Most of the problem I got to
Okay, it's okay. Actually, HR juga udah ada beberapa, but I will try to raise this issue again in HR because we actually discussed about this similar thing in HR this morning, and we also will create strategies based on that particular issue. Yeah. Okay, I really like this one, Lilis. I really like this result.
Yeah. I also like. I know I can do it lah. Like.
Yeah.
And also in community, I'm pretty sure that Sasha is a good candidate juga gitu. Jadi kayak she know actually how to extract data.
Yeah. Very interesting, yeah. Very
Interesting.
interesting.
Combination of today's intern is really great actually.
Oke, that's good, that's good, that's good. Oke, lalu juga ada fixed financial stuff.
Nah, sebentar,
Oke.
to have more context ya.
Yes, what's
Jadi
the context?
one of the owner itu kayak bilang gimana biar mempermudah kayak komunikasi etc. Ada kayak ada kayak fixed staff yang di-assign ke tiap properti. Kan kalau misalnya satu staff per property, it is very impossible. Cuman kayak ya intinya ini buat ningkatin apa ya? Aku rasa more like komunikasi antara property owner dan financial staff gitu.
I see. Tapi bukannya sekarang kita udah punya akun WhatsApp yang financial staff finance Bukit Vista itu ya?
Iya, betul.
So does this
Mung-
solve that issue? No?
I guess partly it solved the issue, cuman mungkin mereka ngerasa kayak mungkin ini berhubungan sama communication report ya, kayak dimana sedikit kayak low to medium visibility on sesuatu yang terjadilah di properti tersebut. Tapi kayak hopefully we could tell them kayak kita udah nge-assign fixed staff finance Bukit Vista, then like if you have any inquiries please ask this person. Or what I was thinking, could we increase the fixed financial staff by like one more person? Tapi if it's not possible, then yeah, we could just try to explain it to the owner first lah.
Okay. That's understandable, but that's we're heading towards that direction lah ya with that finance WhatsApp. So the finance WhatsApp David yang pegang ya?
Mm-mm.
Yep.
Okay, good.
It's active juga kayaknya.
Very
Maksudnya
active, I think. Also.
ya, David is apa namanya, ready lah to answer.
Ngacar mulu bisa di finance Atra gitu kan ya.
Mm-mm.
Oke,
Iya.
next soal bigger visibility. I think this is product development ya.
I don't know what
Nih.
is bigger visibility.
Gini Kak, jadi dalam paymentnya sendiri, payment issue ya, ada satu owner yang bilang kayak kalau lewat Excel saya bisa nge-track, tapi kalau lewat Bigger saya nggak bisa nge-track, saya kayak kurang ngerti, terus kayak ada problem lah gitu.
This is a product development issue, I think, and it's being tackled right now with the mobile apps.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Mobile app, how about the financial report and the mobile apps?
I can show you guys the mobile app.
Yes, you can show us.
Okay. Actually, it looks like something like this, bro. So
Is that the real mobile apps?
yeah, this is the real mobile app.
Okay.
Aduh, bangke. So this is the financial report, yeah. And then, for example, you have a lot of property, Asri Village here, Asri Village, and then you have the other, I don't know, the other property. You can see here the list of transaction from Airbnb, Booking.com for a particular month. You can also change the month, and there's also already a graph, like for the visibility. And then, if you want to see the transaction details, you can actually click on this button like this, see the transaction detail, and then you can see like for this month, what are the transactions that you have. So it's much more easier to use than Bigger, but it's still it's already connected to real data. And it's I think on for now 12 partner have used it ya, if I'm mistaken ya, Lilis ya. PD is working with community, if I'm mistaken.
Yes, it's with Kak Tandy actually. Still in MVP. So.
12 partner have used it, and basically we're trying to solve this issue because we want basically Bigger to be used by employee because it's really not visible for our partner after evaluation.
So it's not bigger, yeah. It's not bigger mobile version, but it is a new app.
Yeah, it's Bifigo.
Okay.
Wow.
Bifigo.
Okay.
Bifigo from Chris.
Yes. And then next we have proposed price from owner.
Jadi begini, one of the owner kayak propose, he was saying something like, is it from me? Okay, jadi one of the owner was saying kayak, okay, I want to price my property at 500,000 rupiah. What am I supposed to do so I could reach those price? Kayak, is there anything that I could improve from my property?
Oh yeah,
etc.
I also have heard about that feedback. Yeah. Jadi previously one of the partner wants to build a pool in their property, and then she asked me if I make a pool, what is the 90 price compared to if I don't have a
What is the property? What is the property?
I can't remember. That's the thing. Previously, I just answered like I look at the
Is that
database.
Jogja property?
Huh?
Is that Jogja property?
I think it is.
Because in your region, I don't think there is a property without pool. Oh, ada. Shared
Ada.
pool. Jadi shared pool.
Ada. Yeah. Mungkin ya. But I think it's in Bali deh. But yeah, such question exists, and we have to be ready for that one. Actually, that's why improving our data system actually really will help this one. But most of the other issue, the less than 10% issue have been tackled by the big pivot initiative. Yeah. Anybody have anything to add for this one?
I have anything to add.
Yes. Tulis.
Evelyn, do you have the documentation of the description of all of the points that you
Yep.
classify here?
Yeah, I do, but it is not as kayak it is not as it itself, tapi more like kayak a simple remarks. What is it about gitu Kak?
Yeah, I mean, kan kayak barusan, if I read bigger visibility, I don't
Yeah.
really
Oh,
know what
yeah.
is the problem inside it. So I think you have to make like a glossary for your first analysis. Ini kan first analysis kan. So you get to some problems and then note di sebelahnya, this is actually what I mean. Kayak gitu.
Ya, jadi ada bagiannya.
Yang community details itu mau udah data mentah gitu.
Yep. Okay. Very possible Kak.
Okay.
Thank you.
So our conclusion, yeah, still the same because we still stick our and the activity that we are doing now will be reflected on the next one. But also just to conclude, we will report back to community as soon as we've solved one of these problem. Yeah.
Yes. Thank
Okay. Rizky, could you help me to write that one? Let's report back to the community if the issue is solved.
What is yang mana yang bisa paling cepat ya? None actually, like that's why we actually think like if we do the survey again, then the solution is actually nggak bisa cepat.
Yang paling cepet tuh monthly strategy, gak Liz?
Iya sih benar. Let's do a sample ya.
Yeah, let's do a sample lah for that one ya. Okay. Just make sure that the pivots have been the conclusion have been noted in your Trello cards. That's one topic, but it's a very fruitful topic ya. Okay, next we have the projection. Mampus. Yep. So how? Liz, maybe you can respond to this one.
Yeah, I think I have struck you before ya.
Yes.
First, I guess benar itu Mas Bayu. Can you open the screenshot? The screenshot there is actually ini nggak tahu screenshotnya diambil kapan, but I don't know whether sampainya information bahwa BD needs projection and then sampainya di board kita tuh sama apa enggak?
Oh, ini baru Liz.
Question.
Mereka baru bikin Liz, kayaknya.
Mereka baru bikin.
Yeah, in the notes we've created a special section because previously it's joined with the other list. That's why what I mentioned is that when a card is moved to this list, I will create a notification for BI team. Currently, the BI team will receive any property that is
So, like itu dah. Itu pertama mungkin itu kali ya.
Yes, that's the first
Biar
one.
ada the first same expectation between BI juga BI.
Yes, correct.
And then the second one, actually previously Sajid got responsible for this.
Yep.
And the project is also creating automation for property revenue projection during 12 months kan.
Yep.
Perhaps you are the one that punya visibility paling tinggi tentang project ini. How is it go? I mean, how is it actually can be accessible to everybody? Jadi semuanya tuh bisa ngambil revenue projection gitu.
The thing is, what Sajid made is not ready for production.
Why is it not ready?
Because you look at the number and a lot of times it still doesn't make sense. You look at Sajid's card, right?
Yes, I look.
And you look at the entry yang dia masukin entry datanya kayak how many bedroom, where's the area and location, and then the projection is lower than the expected projection.
Lower.
Yang because it's already able to produce the 12 numbers, right?
Okay. And then what is suggest use selama ini buat doing projection? It's manual and
Manual,
the
yeah.
data is
That's
from
what we hand over to Rizky. Rizky,
again.
Kevin.
Okay, so Kevin use the same way. Is it apa namanya? Is it acceptable to partner?
Only one partner question so far.
What is the question? Is it Villa Namaskara?
Yes, Villa Namaskara, the one that we had pairing with.
Is Villa Namaskara referral or not?
No,
No, yeah, that's why.
that's why.
Yeah.
If
I
it's
mean,
referral, it's already verbally accepted, right?
Yeah, it's if they are referral, they know Bukit Vista already. They know
Yes.
the member of Bukit Vista, so
Correct.
there will be no question. We need to make the framework that actually we can answer the question from every kind of customer.
Oh yeah, that is true. That is true. Because that's the same answer that we gave Villa Namaskara. Like we're just telling the truth. The data says like this.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
but yeah.
if
Huh?
yeah, continue first.
Continue first, Liz.
If we use the apa namanya the manual Sajid methods, how everybody else can do that?
By following the documentation.
By following the documentation yang di written nama Sajid.
Yes.
Is there any do we have the access to that data?
The data itself, I believe yes, it's the price scraper, very similar to what Risky used. But yeah, I agree that I'll have to clean up a little bit so that it's more user friendly.
Yeah, I think so because kalau misalnya semakin banyak leads yang datang, then there will be so many revenue projection that is coming, and then if one person only responsible, it will be like making delay, I guess.
Yep.
So I need like minimum 2 lah, bisa ngerjain gitu.
Lebih
And it
operasional stuff.
doesn't need data science skill like advanced data science skills.
Okay. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, VD will deal
Yeah,
with
VD.
this. Yeah.
Yeah, Rizky, please tag VD ya in the document.
Yeah.
When will it be ready for the tutorials?
Oh, my God.
Question, Kak Vidi.
Yes, Rizky. Avoiding the question from Lilis. Yes, Rizky.
I think we have a plan to upload Sajid code to website.
Yes.
That
Yeah, but
How
it's
is the
done
progress?
yet. Katanya ada, I'm not sure what is.
The progress? Not started. Yeah, it's not started.
Why can be started like Rizky kan bisa kayak dipindahin doang. I don't know, is it pindahin doang or apakah ada sesuatu yang harus diconsider?
Beda bisa, Riz.
Oh, beda.
Ada yang beda.
Wah,
Bisa.
I don't know, that's why I don't know.
Kalau Rizky punya tuh, dia nggak ada dependensi terhadap file apa-apa. Sementara, we upload something to Google Colab, it will be gone, right?
Will be gone?
Yeah. No. If you upload the file, not the code, some file to Google Colab, it will be gone. So what Sajid made actually produces a model that have to be uploaded each time, but it's not feasible to just upload it each time. So I know how to do it, but previously Sajid couldn't figure out how to do it, how to migrate.
So that's why he is not doing that previously. I mean,
Because he
kenapa
can't
nggak
do-
dari awal dilakuin?
Karena dia nggak ngerti cara ya.
Oh,
Karena emang nggak lazim buat ngelakuin itu. Because what we're doing using the Google Colab as a tool, it's very hacky. Itu kayak ide-idean gue doang dulu. Oh, kayaknya kalau misalnya gue taruh Google Colab, gue suruh run, bisa deh, gitu.
hmm.
Usually kan interface-nya nggak kayak gitu tapi. So, yeah, I will make a pivot card ya on this ya.
Yang manual aja ya, yang manual aja nggak apa-apa.
Oke, please wait for it ya.
Nah, bisa, ya, tolong I will make a new card under your name ya, Vidi ya.
Yes, please make a new card under my name.
Yep. But wait, my question. Ini kan masih ada Sajid card, increasing revenue projection model accuracy.
Yes.
You want pending that or I guess pending.
Pending sih bro, kayaknya bro. Until a new DS come.
Okay then.
Yeah.
So this is pending, and then that will be prediction company revenue. Nggak ada best practice-nya juga, so we need to make it right.
Wait, I thought Sajid made it already.
Predict company revenue. Wait. Roadmap. No. Company revenue roadmap. There is no other files.
Okay.
That's why I put it under your card.
Okay, sure. Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, so Rizky, please write that down, yeah. In write the discussion down in Kabayu so that Kabayu is aware that what is our step from BI. If Lilis wants to add to respond to that,
Yeah. I would like to add after Rizky put some points.
okay, we are already over time, yeah. Unfortunately,
I have a meeting. I
and then we already have a leadership. We have leadership.
Yeah, we have leadership.
Uh,
Our direct booking are getting, what is that like?
Aduh. Yeah,
I
let's
don't
move
know.
these two topic up, yeah.
Right.
Actually, the one from Kevin is we already have. Just I want to answer we already have, but Kevin is not here.
Is that the leads countdown?
Yes, inside Let's Countdown, usually there is this Google form called Prop Amen, property amenities, and also the evaluation. So
Can
the
you
prop,
put that into the apa namanya discussion like?
Hah?
Taruh aja di situ di discussionnya.
tapi kan itu text expander.
Yeah. Just put a text expander and then there will be the link, right?
I don't think interns have text expander, Lilis.
No, I mean, I will type. What is that?
Prop Amen.
Prop amen.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that one, right?
Yes.
What is the inside this property amenity?
Basically, amenities value from new property that is collected by marketing team. Previously, I have asked marketing team to connect with a community to unify their data source for the PRM.
Gitu ya?
Yes, correct. Marketing MBD to complete their PRM. The PRM for community.
Okay, properties amenities from MBD to complete PRM.
Yes.
Really? Okay.
So yeah, that's the idea. And for this one, we will postpone the discussion for this one. I think we asked this before, but
What?
I think the one that we like direct booking.
Oh yeah.
But then we have to answer this one.
We already discussed this, right?
We already discussed the first one, but we have to
Our
answer.
direct booking are getting greater. Okay.
We have what? Do we know what our share of overall Airbnb traffic? Yes, we can know.
It's from
Similar listing in the Airbnb opportunity.
traffic. You can know that.
We can see similar listings.
We can see some. How we can make know the traffic?
Traffic is views.
Ya, how we can know the views? Bisa
Okay,
lihat views orang.
Oh, kita bisa tahu similar listingnya. Kita bisa
Oh,
compare.
similar listing.
Ya, compare sama similar listing.
Okay.
It's the closest one, but ya mungkin ada data eksternal lainnya, tapi nanti kita carilah.
Ya.
That will go to I will answer this one because it's under my campaign.
Yeah, it's under your campaign.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much, BI team.